Joe here at FlexArm, here with Jason Taki at Miller Metal, and they've got one of our old pneumatic tapping arms. Tell us about it.
I think we got this 5 or 6 years ago, and I choked. It was like, what, a couple grand for a simple machine, but it's probably been one of the single best purchases in the machine shop. When we got it, we only had 3 CNC machines, and to be able to do the tapping outside of the machine, or not even put a part in the machine, because it comes off the laser and gets threads, it solves the problem, and it cut our backlog big time.
And so we also just recently took care of another issue for you, and what was that? As far as capacity?
We're tapping, what is it, 1/2-inch stainless right off the laser. It doesn't even come into the machine shop anymore.
Yeah.
We now have a tapping arm that we put next to the laser, cut threads, and it goes out to shipping right after we're done.
So we just got them a brand new GHM30 hydraulic tapping arm, and we'll get it to them here as quick as we can, and they'll just be ripping stuff right away.